A truck was moving at high speed while carrying a heavy load. Due to the speed and unstable balance, the load bucket suddenly tipped over. At the same moment, a nearby scooter rider passed through the area, barely escaping as the bucket landed just inches away. This close call reminds us why secure loading and controlled speed are critical in transport, whether it's a truck driver or someone on the road nearby. Safety precautions protect everyone. Always secure loads properly, maintain a safe speed, and stay alert to avoid dangerous situations. During a routine inspection, a worker moved closer to a machine to check its performance. Without warning, one of the connected pipes loosened and released hot water. The sudden release caught him off guard, creating a dangerous situation. This incident reminds us why regular maintenance and secure fittings on machines are essential. Always make sure connections are properly tightened and wear the right protective equipment when working near pressurized or heated systems. A few extra moments of preparation can prevent accidents and keep everyone safe on the job. In this case, a truck driver faced a sudden height restriction bar. With only seconds to react, the driver jumped from the moving vehicle. The truck's upper section struck the bar, causing damage and making the truck fall under the impact. While unusual, the driver's decision shows how fast thinking comes into play when unexpected obstacles appear on the road. This moment serves as an important reminder. Always check height clearances and restrictions before entering a roadway, bridge, or loading area. Planning ahead helps prevent vehicle damage, costly downtime, and keeps everyone safer on the